Hello students, let's read this question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference D and write three more terms. So let's start with first one. In first we have 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So let's first calculate the common difference. So common difference will be A2 minus A1, which is equals to 4 minus 2, which is 2. Again checking A3 minus A2, which is equals to 8 minus 4, which is 4. And again A4 minus A3, which is also common difference, is 16 minus 8, which is 8. So as we can see, the common difference D is not same every time. That means series are not an arithmetic progression. Now move on to the second series, which is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. Here the common difference is A2 minus A1, which is equals to 5 by 2 minus 2, which is 1 by 2. Again checking A3 minus A2, which is 3 minus 5 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Again checking A4 minus A3, which is equals to 7 by 2 minus 3, which give us 1 by 2. So as we can see, D is constant or same. That means we can say the given series are in AP. So as the series is in AP, so we have to find the next three terms of the series, which are A5, A6 and A7. So A5 will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 4. Similarly, A6 will be 4 plus 1 by 2, which will be 9 by 2, and A7 will be 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 5. Now move on to the third series, which is minus 1.2 minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. So let's check the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which is equals to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which comes out to be minus 2. Again checking A3 minus A2, which is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. This comes out to be minus 2. Again checking A4 minus A3, which is equals to minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. This again comes out to be 2. That means common difference D is same. That means we can say the given series are in AP. So we have to find out the next three terms, which are A5, A6, A7. So A5 will be minus 7.2 minus 2 plus minus 7.2 minus 2. So this will be minus 9.2. So calculating A6, that is minus 9.2 minus 2, which comes out to be minus 11.2. Now calculating A7, which is minus 11.2 minus 2, which comes out to be minus 13.2. Now move on to the fourth series, which is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So here the common difference A2 minus A1 will be minus 6 minus of minus 10, which comes out to be 4. Again checking A3 minus A2, which will be minus 2 minus of minus 6, which comes out to be 4. Again checking A4 minus A3, which is equals to 2 minus minus 2, which again comes out to be 4. That means D is same. So we can say the given series are in AP. So we have to calculate the next three terms, which are A5, A6, A7. So A5 will be 2 plus 4, which comes out to be 6, and A6 will be 6 plus 4, which comes out to be 10, and A7 will be 10 plus 4, which comes out to be 14. So move on to the fifth series. The fifth series is 3 comma 3 plus under root 2 comma 3 plus 2 under root 2 comma 3 plus 3 under root 2. So calculating the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which is 3 plus under root 2 minus 3, which comes out to be under root 2. Now again checking common difference, which is A3 minus A2, which is equals to 3 plus 2 under root 2 minus 3 plus under root 2. This gives us the value as under root 2. Again checking A4 minus A3, which is equals to 3 plus 3 under root 2 minus 3 plus 2 under root 2. This gives us the value as under root 2. So we can say that the common difference D is same everywhere. That means the given series are in AP. So we have to calculate the next three terms, which will be A5, A6 and A7. So A5 will be 3 plus root 2 plus root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So this comes out to be 3 plus 4 root 2. Again, A6 will be 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. So this comes out to be 3 plus 5 root 2. Again, calculating A7, which is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. So this comes out to be 3 plus 6 root 2. Now move on to the sixth series, that is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. So checking the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which will be 0.22 minus 0.2, which give us the value as 0.02. Again checking common difference, which is A3 minus A2, this will be 0.222 minus 0.22, which give us the value as 0.002. Again checking common difference, which is A4 minus A3, which is 0.2222 minus 0.222 is equals to 0.0002. So as we can see, D is not same for each time. That means we can say our series are not in AP. Now move on to the seventh series, which is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. Calculating the common difference, that is A2 minus A1, which is minus 4 minus 0, which will be minus 4. Again checking common difference, which is A3 minus A2, which is equals to minus 8 minus of minus 4, which will be minus 4. Checking common difference, which is A4 minus A3, which is equals to minus 12 minus of minus 8, which will give us the value as minus 4. That means we can say D is same everywhere. That means the series are in AP. So we have to find out the next three terms of this series, which will be A5, A6, and A7. So calculating the A5, A5 will be minus 12 minus 4, which give us the value as minus 16. Similarly, A6 will be minus 16 minus 4, which give us the value as minus 20. And A7 will be minus 20 minus 4, which give us the value as minus 24. Now move on to the eighth series, which is minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half, and so on. So checking the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which will be minus half minus minus half, which will be 0. Again checking common difference, which is A3 minus A2, which is equals to minus half minus of minus half, which is again 0. So checking common difference, which is a4 minus a3, which is equals to minus half, minus of minus half, which is again 0. So we can say that the common difference D is same everywhere. That means the given series are in AP. So we have to calculate its next three terms, which will be A5, A6 and A7. So A5 will be minus half minus 0. So this will be minus half. Again checking A6, that is minus half minus 0, which will give us the value of A6 as minus half. Again calculating the value of A7, which is minus half minus 0, which will give us the value as minus 1 by 2. So move on to the ninth series, that is 1 comma 3 comma 9 comma 27 and so on. Checking the common difference, which is a2 minus a1, which is 3 minus 1, which comes out to be 2. Now calculating a3 minus a2, which is common difference, which is 9 minus 3, which comes out to be 6. Again checking common difference, which is a4 minus a3, which is 27 minus 9, which comes out to be 18. So as we can see, D is not same every time. That means we can say the given series are not in AP. So move on to the 10th series, which is A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A and so on. Here the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, will be 2A minus A, which is A. Again A3 minus A2 will be 3A minus 2A, which is A, and A4 minus A3 will be 4A minus 3A, which is again A. That means we can say D is same everywhere. That means the given series are in AP. So we have to find out its next three terms, which are A5, A6 and A7, which will be 4A plus A, which comes out to be 5A, and A6 will be 5A plus A, which will be 6A, and A7 will be 6A plus A, which will be 7A. Now move on to the 11th series, which is A comma A square comma A cube comma A to the power 4 and so on. Checking the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which is equals to A square minus A, which we can write as A into A minus 1. Again checking A3 minus A2, which is A to the power 3 minus A square, which is equals to A square into A minus 1. Again calculating the common difference, which is a4 minus a3, which is equals to a to the power 4 minus a cube, which is equals to a cube into a minus 1. As we can see, the common difference d is not same every time. So we can say that the given series is not in AP. Move on to the 12th series, that is under root 2, comma, under root 8, comma, under root 18, comma, under root 32, and so on. So checking the common difference, which is a2 minus a1, which is under root 2 under root 8 minus under root 2, which is equals to, we can write under root 8 as 2 under root 2 minus under root 2. So this will give us the value as under root 2. Again checking a3 minus a2, which is equals to under root 18 minus under root 8. We can write this as 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. This will give us the value as root 2. Again checking a4 minus a3, which is under root 32 minus under root 18. This will be, we can write this as 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. This will give us the value as root 2. That means we can say D is same everywhere. That means given series is in AP. So we have to calculate the next three terms of the series, which will be A5, A6 and A7. So A5 will be under root 32 plus under root 2. We can write this as 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is 5 root 2. We can write this as under root 50. Now calculating the value of A6, which is 5 root 2 plus root 2. This will give us the value as 6 root 2, or we can write this as under root 72. Now calculating the value of A7, which is 6 root 2 plus root 2. This will give us the value as 7 root 2, or we can write this as under root 98. Now move on to the 13th series, which is under root 3, comma, under root 6, comma, under root 9, comma, under root 12. So checking the, and so on. So checking the common difference, which is a2 minus a1, which is equals to under root 6 minus under root 3. So we can write this as under root 3 into under root 2 minus under root 3. So finally this will be under root 3 into root 2 minus 1. Again a3 minus a2 will be under root 9 minus under root 6. We can write this as 3 minus under root 6. So this will give us the value as under root 3 into under root 3 minus under root 2, and a4 minus A3 will be under root 12 minus under root 9, which is equals to 2 root 3 minus 3 minus under root 3 into under root 3. We can take under root 3 common. So inside we get 2 minus under root 3. So as we can see, D, which is common difference, is not same everywhere, every time. That means we can say the given series are not in AP. Move on to the 14th series, which is 1 square comma 3 square comma 5 square comma 7 square and so on. Or we can write this 1 comma 9 comma 25 comma 49 and so on. So let's calculate the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which will be 9 minus 1, which will be 8, and A3 minus A2 will be 25 minus 9, which is equals to 16, and again calculating A4 minus A3, which will be 49 minus 25, which will be 24. As we can see, D is not same every time. That means we can say the given series are not in AP. Now move on to the 15th series, which is 1 square comma 5 square comma 7 square comma 73 and so on. Or we can write this as 1 comma 25 comma 49 comma 73. We have to find out the common difference, which is A2 minus A1, which is equals to 25 minus 1, which is equals to 24. Again, A3 minus A2 will be 49 minus 25, which is again 24, and A4 minus A3, which is equals to 73 minus 49, which will again equals to 24. So as we can see, D is same every time. That means the given series are in AP. So we have to calculate its next three terms. So next three term will be A5, A6 and A7. A5 will be 73 plus 24, which will give us the value as 97, and A6 will be 97 plus 24, which will be equals to 121, and A7 will be 121 plus 24, which will give us the value as 145. So this way we have identified that which series are APs and which are forming arithmetic progression, and by calculating the common difference. So after that we have find out the three more terms for the series which are forming the arithmetic progression. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.